welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jamie, and I'm pretty new to YouTube. I've only been doing it about a month, so please help me out and hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. I like hearing feedback from everyone. Now, today we're going to be talking about the Knotty Knickers subscription. We're going to unbox that today. I have a brand new one that just came in the mail today, and I'm really excited about it. So just so you're aware, I get the nice package, and I get 3 each month. The price is $8.99 for 3 pairs of underwear. The nice package is no thongs. You do have the option of getting the naughty package, which is thongs and G-strings, and then you also have the option of getting the sugar and spice package, which is a mixture of everything. I like the bum coverage. So a correction from last month. So I put up the August unboxing on my channel, and I assumed because I got it around the middle of the month that it was the August, but it actually might have been July. So I've been doing a little bit of research, and I found out that if whatever day you are billed on is your date of the day of the month that they prepare your order for that specific month. And I'm billed on the 30th of each month. So because it's so close to the 1st, I just assumed that I was being billed for the 1st. So I'd like to say this is September, but I think it's August. I don't know for sure because they're not ever labeled and they don't ever come with a card or anything like that. Like, it literally just comes in an envelope, nothing fancy, plain white envelope with 3 pairs of underwear inside. Nothing, yeah. All right, so, ooh. I keep seeing lots of spoilers, so I think I got a pair that I wanted. All right, so we've got this like purpley color pair, and I did get a purple set last month. And then there's like a nude kind of peach color. And then this really nice pink. It's like a darker kind of pink. Yes, I get mine in a large. Sizes range from extra small clear up to 2 or 3XL. I can't remember which. Lots of size options, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's do the purple ones first. They look really nice. And the bags are recyclable. They say that on the front. Please recycle. And then down here, I know it's really hard to read, but it says this bag is made from post-consumer recycled materials. Little hashtag get naughty. Oh, and just so you're aware, you do have the option of choosing between 1 and 3 pairs per subscription. So 1 pair is $3.99, 2 is $6.99, and 3 is $8.99 plus tax. I was billed with tax and everything $12.36 for my 3 pair this month. So here they are. Oh, so that's the front. I'll step back a little bit so you can actually see them. And they're a little bit cheeky, not too bad. They are very see-through. They have the little bow detail on the front. The tag says designed in Toronto, hand wash, recommended, made in China. It is a Canadian subscription service. So that's pair number 1. Pair number 2, we're going to try the nude ones this time. A little seal. You could put them back in if you decided if you want to give them away or something if you didn't like them. Probably can't hear anything over the crackling. Alright. Oh, I did see these ones. These ones were in one of their ads. And if I can find the ad, I will pop it in right here. Alright. These ones are so nice. I love the sides on them. A little crisscross. Oh. Isn't that cute? I think they're cute. I'm super excited about these ones. Step back. What do you think? Very cute. Very cute. All right. So the last ones are these dark pink ones. A dark pink shade color. Get this similar color quite often. Oh, these are soft, very soft. And then they're trimmed with the lace. Oh, and they're super stretchy. There's a lot of bum that can fit in here. And then back is very full bum coverage. You won't have to worry about anything hanging out. So which ones are your favorite? Comment down below which ones you like the best and let me know, did you receive these ones in August or September? Are you just as confused as I am as to how mailing works? It would be nice if a little card was included or something so that you knew what was going on, but overall, I'm pretty happy with everything that I received. I think they're pretty decent quality. If you watched my previous video unboxing Knotty Knickers, you know that I am a returning subscriber. I used to subscribe to them a couple years ago and I disliked everything that I received. I don't think I got a single pair of underwear that I could actually wear. Nothing had any stretch to it. They were all super uncomfortable. They were all the wrong size. Even though they were all supposed to be the same size, they were all either way too small or way too big. There was no consistency in the sizes. I definitely, since I returned a couple of months ago, I've been very happy with everything. The sizes seem to be like spot on. The materials are so much better quality. They don't just fall apart when you wash them. And $8.99 plus tax for 3 pairs of underwear is pretty stellar. Like, I don't even know what, like, if I keep this subscription for like a year or two, like, what am I gonna do with that many pairs of underwear? I will have to gift. Christmas is coming. I guess I could gift them along, but let me know what you think. Did you like the pink ones, or did you like the purple ones, or do you like the nude? Which one's your favorite? Let me know down in the comments below. Again, it really helps when you take a moment to hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. And I'll link another video for you right here. Have a good day.